Welcome everyone. This is what we call a factory safety laser system. It was mainly designed for factories, industries, and maybe workshops that use heavy machinery or dangerous machinery. It works in such a way that we create a laser net around that dangerous machine, because we know that machines are always left in open space to easily radiate heat and other things. So when you go to factories, in most cases you find that they put at least a cage or something like that to safeguard this machine from any damage, maybe from human or personnel that work with them. It not just built up walls and all that. They are not always confined in just a spare place, so they always leave them in empty space, and maybe they put a cage for its radiation of it. This one works in a way that we create a laser net around here, and as you can see, that is our machine. This is our power source, the other one is our controller, and this is our control room, where we see the indications of the buzzers to see whether the machine was stripped, to turn off the machine in case there is maintenance, to turn off the whole system. So we designed a laser net whereby if you interfere with it, to trigger an alarm, but the machine won't go off, though we are protecting it, or we are protecting people from damage from machines, but it won't automatically just go off. But instead we designed a certain parameter whereby if someone goes to that designated area by mistake and hears the alarm, that person can turn out. But if this person maybe is not well covered with the alarm and then goes near the machine, we put a danger zone, as you can see. But if someone goes beyond this zone, the machine will be triggered off. But in our case, since we are designing it for factories, we don't want to turn off the production system at once. It will only go off in case a certain parameter is reached. Yeah, so as you can see, let me try testing it. So this is the main working principle of our system. As you can see, there is a laser net, then our machine is currently running. And you can see, so when you interfere with this laser beams, it triggers the alarm on, and those are the indicators of the alarm. But the machine will remain on if this person goes beyond a certain parameter. The machine has already turned off and it's no longer working. When everything has been resolved, see we have a yellow indicator showing that our machine is off, and these other lights are showing that the alarm system is on. In case maybe the buzzers or the alarms are faulty, you can see that these are on. So what we do, we set, see, the machine is back on and the system is in a working condition. Repeat this, you interfere, you trigger an alarm, you go beyond a certain distance, the machine turns off. That's basically the working principle of factory safety laser system. So this system also has a power source. As you can see, it is currently charging. You can just connect your system to a power source. Yeah, it has two power USBs depending on the capacity of batteries that you're using. So you can charge one side and the other, because these batteries are around 4 volt. The charging system always provides around 5 volts. So we can use this to charge our system. Yeah, and you can see that our microcontroller is currently on. So that's basically a factory safety laser system. You can employ it in your factory in case you don't want any mechanical damage or injuries or accidents that normally occur.